pedal.
Right now, though, Phillip out on the top spot. A couple of new riders. One of them looking to go home with a main event trophy on their first race. The other one may not be so fortunate, but hopefully he enjoyed a beautiful day on a BMX track, enjoyed his first attempt.